Hey now, Priscilla here, coming to you straight out of Texas, and we have got another video for you today. This is day 15 of the video challenge. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited about the challenge, but I'm really excited about this video. And the title of this video is The Fastest Way to Hit the Rank Called Night. The fastest way to hit the rank called night. So I'm really fired up about this and about this opportunity that I just recently became a part of. Our team is having so much success that I wanted to share with you the fastest way to hit the rank called night. And I know you're saying, well, what is this business and what is night? What does that even mean? So I'll share with you, just picture this. Anybody that's at the night level is actually making $125 a week with just 10 people on their team. And that adds up to $500 a month. And I know $500 a month can make a difference. So the interesting thing about this is that it's only $99 to get started. And listen, you don't even have to bring in all 10 people. You bring in 3. That's all you need is to bring in 3 yourself. You enroll 3 people yourself. And when those 3 grow to 10, then it's $125 a week. And that adds up to $500 a month. So with just 10 people on your team, all you got to do is bring in 3 yourself personally. And it's only $99 to get started. That $99 is really affordable, and it's a great way to get started. So I know that if you know anything about network marketing, it definitely, you would need more than 10 people to earn $125 a week and $500 a month. You would need probably hundreds of people on your team, and it definitely would cost you more than $99. But here in this program that I'm a part of, we have something that's affordable, and we've got a process to help you hit the rank of night really, really fast. We have the fastest way to do it. We've got the training, and one of the best ways that we're helping people to hit that rank quickly is by creating content like we're doing with this video challenge. And not to mention that everybody that we enroll, we're plugging them into our Facebook group, and we're giving them step by step actions to take to get started and to rank up really fast. Because see, one of the biggest problems that people have when they join a network marketing company or any kind of home-based business, it's like, okay, I joined, now what? So with us, with our team, it's not now what, it's step 1, step 2, step 3, and we've got you off and running really, really quickly. So here, you don't have to experience the thought of not knowing what to do. We've got that step-by-step process. We let you know exactly what you need to do. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the company? What's this all about? Well, all you have to do is, if you want more information, all you have to do is comment more info below. And I will personally get that information to you. I would direct message you. And if you happen to be catching this on YouTube, just look at the link in the description below. Click that link and we will connect you. I will connect with you. Actually, when you click that link, it's going to take you right to my webpage, and you're going to have access to all of the additional information, all the details, so that all your questions can be answered. So look. All you got to do is follow the steps. We've got it all laid out for you. And if you're on Facebook, comment more info below. I'll direct message you the information. If you're on YouTube, click the link in the description. It'll take you directly to the my page. So look, I will see you on the next page. You have a great night or day or morning. I'll see you on the next page.